Good morning, kids. How are you? I hope all are doing good, staying safe at home. So, children, today we are going to learn about UKG maths. So, children, in our previous videos, already we have completed the numbers, number names, and the after numbers, before numbers, and between numbers. So today we are going to learn about a new topic that is called as comparing of numbers. Comparing of numbers. So comparison. So when you compare the two things, children, so how could we find out? So comparison is between two things. Any two numbers, two things or two objects, whatever will be. So the comparison will be there. So what do you mean by comparison? According to their size or shape or whatever will be. Okay, children? So big or small, greater or less, tall and short, more and less. Isn't it, children? So this will be the comparison. Now today we are going to compare the numbers. Okay, children? Comparing of numbers. So big number, less number. Okay, children? The greater number and smaller number. So greater number also we can call as big number or great number. So that is called as a greater number or big number. Now here the another number is that is small number or less number. So both are the same thing. And another number is equal. So the another number will be equal. So either they may be big or small, more or less. So great or less. So otherwise both are equal. So here the comparison is going between two numbers. So how to find out which is the big great number or which is the less number. So how could we find out whether the number is big or small? So this comparison, children. So this with the help of the symbols we have to denote. So the symbols we have to take and we have to denote with the symbols. So here the symbols will be there. The greater than symbol, the less than symbol. So in this way. So here we can see, children, the greater than symbol. This is greater than, big. So the symbol which shows the big number and which side it has. So in this way we can find out the symbol. So in this way we can write the symbol. So this symbol is called as greater than. So did you notice, children, how the shape of the symbol will have? Like the crocodile has opened his mouth. So if you see like this, so one big crocodile will be there when it open its mouth. So it will be the symbol like this. Like this it opens its mouth. So very long, very big mouth. So have you seen the crocodile? How it's the mouth of the crocodile will be very big size. So like that. So this symbol, it will be looking like when the crocodile open its mouth. So this open side will be this greater than big number side, it will open. Okay, children. So this symbol we can call as greater than. And the another symbol that is less than. So this symbol we can call it as less than. So this it will shows the less number. So but this symbol also, this is quite opposite side. So this is opposite side of the greater than. So greater than this side it will open and less than this side it will open. So the open mouth of a crocodile will be this side. So this side it opens means, so the big number which side will be there, so it will open this side. Less than means it says that this number is less than comparing to this number. Okay, children? So it will shows like that. And coming to the another symbol that is equal. So this is equal symbol. So both are the same. So no need here, nobody is big and nobody is small. So both are same, equal. For example, two children are there in a family. So obviously one will be the elder one and another will be the younger one. Okay, children? So but when we are saying about the two children, so we will say that this boy is elder and this boy is younger one. So like that we will say. And while coming to the eating any food items, when we give to the both of the children, we can't give, oh, this boy is elder, so we have to give more food, and this boy is younger, and this boy is, we have to give very less food, like that. Can we do like that partiality? No, we can't do we can't partial them. So we have to give the food for them, both of them equal. So the same amount of food we will give. The same amount of whatever the things this boy will get, the same amount of things also this boy also will get. So equal. So we are giving the equal percent for to both of the children in our family. So that is for human beings. Okay. Now comparing to these numbers, so here we are dividing. So we are separating the numbers. So which is big one and which is small one. Now coming to the first one, let us discuss about the first, the greater number. So children, how could we find out the number is, whether the number is big or small? So how could we find out? Very simple. So according to their digits. First we have to find out how many digits are there. Now the two numbers they have given means obviously one number will be big and another number will be small. Okay children? So we know the digits. So from 0 to 9 they are called as single digit numbers. Only one digit we have. Okay children? And coming to the from 10. So from 10 to 99 up to 100 up to 99. So these will be the two digit numbers. Okay. So we know already this. Now first if we see here the example you can see. So this is 9. Single digit number. This side also 6. Single digit number. So easy to find out when the digits are one digit. So both are single digit numbers. Easily you can find out. So 9 and 6. So obviously you know that very well. Which is the big number in that? Which is the great number in that? Yes. Of course what you have guessed is correct children. So that is 9. 9 is the big number. So here both are the single digit number. So the right side number and the left side number both are the same. So here we can find out the number very easily. So 9 is the bigger number. So symbol which side we have to keep children? So this symbol we have to keep the number which is big side. So which is the bigger number, so the crocodile mouth will open that side. So like this. Here we can keep the symbol like this. 9 is greater than 6. Yes, of course 9 is greater than 6. 9 only is big. So 9 is greater than 6. Yes. Now here if we see the another two numbers. So here they have given one single digit number and one two digit number. Okay children. So one single digit and one two digit number. So in these two numbers how could we find out which is a greater number? Yes. Easily to find out. This is also very easy. Why? Because the two digit number is always bigger than a one digit number. So one digit is smaller and two digit is bigger number. Now 1, 5, 15. So this is a two digit number and here only 9. 9 is a small number. One digit number. Only one digit number. So obviously this bigger number is the two digit number. So here the 15 is the bigger number. So the symbol which side we have to keep? Yes, obviously the crocodile mouth will open. So on which side means when the this open, the bigger number, when it shows the bigger number. So big number that side means this open side, mouth open side also that side. So 15 is greater than 9. Yes. So up to here okay. Now what about the, if suppose they have given the two sides are the two digit numbers. So this side also two digit number, this side also two digit number. Then how could they find out? Yes. So let us see now. So here how to find out 2, 5, 25, 1, 6, 16. So how could we find out now which is the big number? Now we have a confusion. Oh, how to find out? So here also two digit, this side also two digit. How could we find out? Yes, for those also here is a very small trick. So what is that means? First we have to check out the tens place. So two digits are there, ones place and tens place. Ones place don't check. Go to the tens place first. So checking from the tens place. So in tens place what we have now? 2. Okay. And this side, what is the tens place now? 1. Okay. Now you leave the ones place. Don't care about the ones place. First check only the tens place. So tens place if you check 2 tens and here 1 10. 2 tens, 1 10. So then which will be the bigger number? Yes. This 1 is very less and 2 only is the big. So easily we can find out that 2 5 25 is greater than 1 6 16. So here we can keep the symbol greater than. So which is symbol? Greater than. So the mouth will open this side. So here we can keep the symbol. Yes. So easily we can find out. Now here also we got the 2 2. Okay children. Now let us see. Here if you see. Now here I am changing children. Suppose the tens place are the same. Okay, the tens place are the same. So now let us see children. So children, suppose here I have changed these numbers. Now if you see here, the tens place are the same. Okay children. Now 2 digits. This side also we have the 2 digits. Now how could we find out? Yes. Now again first we have to check the tens place. Tens place now if you check 4 tens and 4 tens. Both are the same. Now how could we find out again? So first of all they both are the 2 digits. Both are the 2 2. So we can't differentiate now. We can't identify which is the big number. So then now again we have another idea. That is first we have to check the tens place. Okay children. Now we have checked the tens place also. So the tens place are the same. Now 4 tens is there, 4 tens is there. Both are the same. Now how could we find out? Yes. Another place, that is one more place is remaining there. So tens place only we have checked the, not the ones place. Now we have to check the ones place also. If you check the ones place, here definitely there will be the difference. Now here the ones place 7 ones is there. Now coming to here ones place we have the 3. Okay children. So here is that we have the difference. Now here 7 ones and 3 ones. Now we can identify very easily. Now only one digit we are taking. Okay, ones place only we are taking. So in ones place we have the 7 ones and here we have the 3 ones. Now we can find out very easily. So obviously which will be the bigger number? Yes. So 7 will be the bigger number. So now here this crocodile mouth will open this side. So 47 is greater than 43. So here we have found the greater number. So this side. So which side will be the bigger number? The mouth of the crocodile will open that side. So this open side will come to the, it will shows the bigger number. Okay children. Now here we have, easily we can identify the bigger number, great number. So it will be the bigger number also we can call, and we can call it as a greater number also. So greater number or bigger number both are the same. So this symbol will be, we can call it as greater than. So here we have completed the first topic, greater than. So let us see children, the another topic that is smaller, that is less than. So children, let us see now the another topic that is less than. So greater than we have known children. Now let us discuss about the less than, the smaller number. So how could we find out the smaller number? Yes, the same as like that, the greater number, the bigger number. So here also we can find out the smaller number very easily. Now let us see children, 2 single digit numbers we have given. Okay, so easy to find out. This side also single digit and this side also single digit. So comparing means here 2 digits, no, we are comparing between our 2 digits. So which is big and which is small. Now here we have the 5 one side, here at the other side we have the 8. So which is the smaller number now, less number, small number. So from these two we have to find out which is the small one. Yes, here we have the 5 and here we have the 8. So obviously easily we can find out which is the small one. Yes, 5 is the small one. So this we can write the symbol now. Suppose if it is less number is this side and big number is this side. Now how could we find the symbol? How could we write the symbol? Yes. So the less than symbol here we have to use. That means the crocodile will open the mouth this side. Why? So because the bigger number is this side. Now in a greater than, the bigger number is that side. So we are keeping the symbol like this. So how to read this? So 9 is greater than 6. Now like this we will read. Now what about this symbol here? So we have kept the symbol less than. So this is less than symbol. So which is less than? Yes, 5 is less than 8. So 5 is less than 8 means, so obviously which will be the big number? 8 is the big number and 5 is the small number. Okay. Now with the help of a symbol we are showing that 5 is less than 8. Now bigger number is this side. Now the symbol also, this crocodile mouth also will open this side. So which side will be the bigger number? So we can keep there. Okay children, easy to remember that. So this side, this mouth, big mouth will open bigger number side. Now here bigger number is this side, so bigger mouth open that side. The crocodile will open the mouth this side. So here this side 9 is greater than 6 and 5 is less than it. 5 is less than it. Now here we have got it. Now next one, see children. So here we have the 7 and here we have the 14. 1, 4, 14. So 1 is 1 digit number. So another side we have a 2 digit number. So which will be the less number? So we are finding now only the less number. Small number we have to find out first. So obviously single digit number is a small one. So this is the 7 is the small. Now how could we keep the symbol? 7, this is 1 digit number and this is 2 digit number. So this is big number and this is small number. Now how could we show this with a symbol? Yes, 7 is less than 14. 7 less than 14. So bigger number this side. So this crocodile mouth also will open this side. Okay children? Now okay. Now suppose here both are the same. So 2 digit number, 2 digit number. So how could we find out? Both are the same means? Yes. So both are 2 digits, 2 digits. Now first we have to check the, I told you no. So tens place we have to check. So first if we check the tens place, 3 tens, 4 tens. Here we have the 3 tens and here we have the 4 tens. So which is the less number, small number? Yes, 3 is the small one and 4 is the bigger one. So obviously 3 is the small one. So 3, 4, 34 is less than 43. 34 is less than 43. So here we have to keep the symbol less than. Okay children? Now 5, 1, 51, 5, 9, 59. Suppose both the places are tens place also equal. Then how could we find out? Suppose tens places are equal means we have to check the ones place. Now ones place here only 1 ones and here ones place we have 9 ones. So which is the less number? Yes, 1 is the smaller one. Now how could we keep the symbol? 5, 1, 51 is less than this side symbol. Less than 59. Okay, so 51 is less than 59. So in this way we can keep the symbols. So these are the greater than and these are the less than. Okay children, so easily to find out. So which symbol we have to keep. So in this way we can find out. So first we have to check out. So only first number we have to take children. This number only we have to consider. Okay. So first we are comparing these two means. So first we have to identify this one. So according to this, the symbols we can keep them. So how means in this way. Suppose here 5 and here 8. Okay. So we have to check out whether this number is greater than this number or less than this number. Suppose this number is greater than that number means that symbol we have to keep. The greater than symbol. Okay. Suppose if this number is, this side number is less than to that number. So this less than symbol we have to keep. Okay children. Only this number we can take. So we are comparing these two. So when we are comparing the two numbers, we have to first compare this number to the another number. So we have to check out. We have to compare whether this number is greater than to that number or less than to that number. So suppose if this number, this side number is big, greater than symbol. If this number is small, less, comparing to another number, so the less than symbol. Suppose both the sides, both the numbers are equal. So here we can see, suppose they both are same. Here 2 and 2. This one also 2 and this side also 2. This is also one digit number, one digit number. 2, same numbers we have. Then how could we keep the symbol there? Yes, here we have to keep the symbol equal. So when we keep the two lines, small two lines when we keep, so this symbol we can call as equal. So equal means both are same. Okay, both are the same numbers. Here no one is big and no one is small. Both are the same. Same. Now two digit numbers 11 and 11. Yes, both are the same. Equal. And 39, 39, 39, 39. Here also both the two digits are the same. Equal. Now here the another bigger number. 7 tens, 5 ones. So tens place also here the same. 7. Ones place also the same. 5 ones. So then we can keep the symbol equal. So this it will shows. So both the numbers are equal. Okay children. Suppose this number is greater than big number. This number is big comparing to this number. So the symbol will change like this. Suppose if I am rubbing and here I will keep the 10 and here I will keep the 8. Now can we keep the symbol like this? No. Now we have to change the symbol. So this symbol I am not keeping here. So we are comparing to this number to this number. So here when we compare, here what we have 2 digit number 110 and here we have only 1 digit number. So we are comparing this number to this number. Okay. Now, so we are checking now whether they both are equal. No, they both are not equal. So this number is bigger number or this number is small number. Which one is? So first we have to check if it is big or small. Suppose 1, 0, 10. 10 means 2 digit number. Obviously 2 digit number. So here we have only 1 digit number. This is small. So this number is small and this number is big. So this is big means, so the what symbol we have to keep? Yes, 10 is greater than 8. So this is greater than. So this immediately the symbol it will change to big number. So the crocodile mouth will change to like this because this is big number and this is small number. Okay, now like this we have to compare. Suppose here I am again changing. So this number I am changing and symbol is not there here. So again we are going to 6. Now here I have written the 6. Now how could we find out? So again we are comparing to this number. So 6 and this side we have the 8. So how could we find out? Yes, we have to check it. So both are 1 digit number, 1 digit number. First we have to check. So how many digits are there? So this is also 1 digit, this is also 1 digit. So both are the same digits. But not equal. Only single digit is there but not both are the same. So why? Because this is 6 and this is 8. So which is the big number? So big number is this side. So obviously this side we have the big number means this will be the small number. Isn't it? So suppose if this side will be the big number means we can write the greater than symbol. But now here the big number is this side and that is the small one. So how could we keep the symbol now? We will say 6 is less than 8. Now we are showing the 6 is less than 8. Okay, 6 is less than 8 obviously. Yes, of course 6 will be the less than 8. 8 is the big number and 6 is the small number. So the crocodile will open this side. So here we have the big number this side. So this we can keep. So this symbol we can call as less than. So this symbol it will shows that this number is less than compared to this number, and this symbol it will shows, so this number is bigger than this number. Okay children, so hope you understood all of you this topic, greater than, less than and equal. So this is called as comparing of two numbers. So hope you understood children. You can practice all of you in your homework books. Write neatly and loudly. You have to read loudly, and you have to neatly. We have to practice. You have to practice children many times. We have to find out slowly. We have to check whether this number is big or small. So 1 digit or 2 digit. Suppose both are 2 digits. So first tens place we have to check, and then ones place we have to check. So slowly we have to differentiate. Okay. So you have to compare which is big and which is small. So all of you children, hope you understood this topic.